This is Wadi Rum, and it's been dubbed as the closest thing to Mars on planet Earth due to its ongoing miles of sand and rock formations. We were staying in a bubble hotel, which is a bucket list experience for most people visiting the area. They collected us from our minibus on the side of the road and took us to camp for lunch. Be aware they were quite money grabbing. It was kind of frustrating, but I get it. It's hard times at the moment. The views certainly made up for it. We headed off on our tour for the afternoon, where we stopped in 4 different places around the protected area. We stopped off at Lawrence's house, the Big Red Sand Dune, Kazali Canyon, and Little Rock Arch. The views were just incredible. It felt like we were literally in a movie. We also had the chance to enjoy some free Bedouin tea included with the cost of the tour, and see the cave paintings and climb up the stone formations for more views. We then finished off the day with some sandboarding, which I forgot to film, so here it is. After driving back to our bubbles, we ended the day with some sundowners, a sunset view from the rocks behind our camp, and more Bedouin tea by the fire. I mean, just look at this view, guys. The staff had prepared an absolute feast for dinner with meat and vegetables that had been cooked the traditional Bedouin way under the ground, and we stayed up late to admire the stars before leaving the next day to make our way to Aqaba and the Dead Sea. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next diary entry.